really hot. It's 96 degrees outside. Therefore, I don't want to turn on the oven, but I really want a nice, tasty meal. So I'm going to show you how to grill up some salmon on my barbecuer. So let's go spice things up. Okay, so my favorite herb to use on salmon is dill. So I'm just going to pick some dill from my garden. And I have some fresh basil that I'm going to pick also. And some fresh oregano. All right, that's perfect. Now we can go inside and put them on the salmon. The first thing you want to do is get some aluminum foil and just break a piece off. Okay, so now I'm going to take my salmon fillets, and I have 3 right here, and I'm going to just put them right on the foil. And now I'm going to season them with seasoned salt, garlic powder, with the herbs. So I'm just going to lay them on the salmon. And now I'm going to take a half a lemon and just squeeze it on top. And now I'm going to take the sides of the foil and fold it up like it is in a pan. And take another one and lay it over the top. This is what will keep your salmon moist on the grill. All right, time to go put it on the grill. All right, so I'm turning my grill to medium heat. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my salmon and just put it on the grill and cook it for about 10 minutes.
What is up, guys? How are you guys doing today? So I want you guys to hit that like button. I want you guys to, you see this car? Like, there's gonna be a car right here, and you're just gonna smash that subscribe button. And, you know, you see the merch. Get the merch, please. Please get the merch. Please get the merch. Thank you.
Okay, it's been 10 minutes. All right, time to check it. Perfect, it is done. I hope you guys enjoyed grilling some salmon with me. If you'd like to see more videos of other recipes on the grill, just let me know below. Also, somebody asked me on Facebook if they could send me some spices from their country, and of course you can. My address is in the description below. You just have to press show more. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.